We're live, and today we're breaking down a different kind of playbook, how to run the Zoom screen share like a pro. You're at your computer, Zoom app open, you log in and you're on the doorstep of the meeting. You can tip things off with new meeting to run a solo scrimmage, or hit join to jump into someone else's huddle. Audio connected? That's your mic check, and now you're in the game. Bottom of the Zoom window, you slide that mouse down, there it is, the big green share screen button. If it disappears, just give the mouse a little shake, like calling for the ball, the controls pop right back up. One click, and a new window opens with all your options. Now it's decision time. Full desktop is the all-court press, everything visible. But if you want to avoid surprise pop-ups, you share just one window, maybe that browser, maybe that PowerPoint. You select it, hit the blue share button, and boom, you're live on the big board. Up top, a little toolbar appears. Need to roll a video with sound? You hit more, tap share sound, and now everyone hears the clip. Need a quick timeout? Pause share. Want to switch plays? New share and you're showing a different window without breaking rhythm. When you're done, one click on stop share and the room snaps back to gallery view. Just like that, you're not just on the call, you're running the show.